Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to create a player in the game. First, navigate to the main menu and find the Creation Zone. From there, select Create Player to begin your journey. You'll start by choosing fundamental details like your player's position, such as center or defense, and their handedness, either left or right. This sets the foundation for your future hockey star. Next, dive into customizing your player's appearance. You can fine-tune physical features, including their height and weight, and sculpt their face to your liking. Don't forget to select hair, facial hair, and skin tone to truly make them unique. Then, equip them with essential gear like skates, a stick, and a helmet, ensuring they look ready for the ice. Now, let's define your player's on-ice abilities. You'll allocate attribute points across key categories such as skating, shooting, and defense, shaping their strengths. Select a player type, perhaps a power forward or a playmaker, to define their role. Finally, choose up to 2 X-Factor abilities to give them unique, game-changing skills that stand out. Almost there, take a moment to review all your chosen settings and attributes, ensuring everything is just right. Give your player a memorable name and assign them a unique jersey number, perhaps one of your favorites. Once satisfied, save your newly created player. They are now ready to hit the ice and make their mark in various game modes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.